Hey Lucas, look what I got.
You got phone cases.
That's right, I got the new phone cases for the Galaxy S21 Ultra.
From i-Blason.
Yes, from the company i-Blason, and we're going to tell you all about it. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back to the show. We are so excited because we're going to be getting the new Galaxy S21 Ultra, and we're going to be doing tons of reviews, tips and tricks, and we want our phone to be well protected, and that's why we got the new phone cases from i-Blason. Are you ready to take a look at them?
Yeah.
All right. This is the Cosmo Series right here. It comes in 3 different colors. Which one is your favorite color?
This one?
That one. And these come in 2 pieces. So all you have to do is kind of detach it here at the bottom, like this. And you have the outer piece. That's where you will be placing your phone with the screen out that way. And this piece right here, you'll put your camera facing there. And you just put it in here, snap it in. Very easy, cheesy, lemon squeezy. Look at this gold right here shining through, and you have a marble texture. These are super stylish. They also have a bevel around the camera part and the lens. So look at this. When you put it on the counter, it will not scratch the lens or your display. These are also military drop test protected. So that means even if you're not in the military and you drop this, it will protect your phone.
Or if you're in the army and somebody shoots it, the phone will get broken.
Yes. You're saying if somebody shoots your phone, it won't get broken. I don't know if we can guarantee that. We also have another style right here. These have a clear back. And once again, you can take these out just like this. They are in 2 pieces right here. You put your phone through here, snap it in, click it in, and they are set to rock and roll. So you can see right here it has a little protective cap. It will protect the part where you're going to be charging. These phones right here, the Cosmo Series, does not have that. The buttons are very accessible right here, and I like the side. It has kind of a little bit flexible rubber on it. Very nice in the hand. It's a non-slip grip. With the Air Series, it comes in 3 different colors. You have a black one, a pink and gray one, and a purple, a 2-tone purple. What about the Cosmo Series there?
We have a purple.
Purple, check that out. I love it. Pink one?
No, it's a peach one.
Peach. This is peach.
Peach with white.
Peach with white.
And a blue one.
And an ocean blue. Ooh, I like the ocean blue. It reminds me of the tropics. All these phones are wireless charging compatible. That means if you set it on a wireless charger, you won't have any problem. They are beautiful. What do you think of this? Cat, get out of the way.
Yeah.
These are really cool. They come in wide variety of different colors. Also, you can find, if you go to i-Blason website, you're going to find all different styles and colors for all types of phones. What do you think of these i-Blason new phones?
Good. We don't have phones in them, though.
That's right. We do not have a phone yet. Maybe by the time you are watching this video, we will have the phone. It will be here in a week. We pre-ordered the Galaxy S21 Ultra. We are so excited because we're going to be doing all kinds of tips and tricks, all kinds of accessories. You have to check out our video. Please make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss a thing. And like always, have a fun day. Adios. Bye.